Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Amazon Prime membership. So you can do it on PC or Mac, or you can also do it on your smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. So here I'm going to show you over the PC. So first of all, you have to just log in into your Amazon account, and after that on the top right side corner you can see that account and list, and you have to go there, and after that click on membership. And here you can see there is a new page, and here you can see that I have 12 days left in my trial. And on the membership you can see that there is on blue line there's written update, cancel and more. Just click on that, and after that they will open a new drop down, and on the third option, that is end membership, you have to click on that. And here you will see a new page, and on the middle there is, you can see that cancel my membership. You have to click on that, and after that continue to cancel. So guys, if you click on continue to cancel, your Amazon Prime membership will be cancelled. Okay, so this is pretty easy. You can do wherever you want, whether it's PC or smartphone. So I hope guys you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.